Now, the prevailing marketing trend is online selling and brand image. How far this online marketing is successful? Of course, the product's quality and supply, the price, and the satisfaction of the consumer will decide the market for the product. Otherwise, even if there is high amount of influence through advertisement or brand image, the product may not be able to catch the consumers for the longer period. Of course, these advertisement or brand image can help for some time to influence the consumers, but not useful in the longer period. Better, the online product should be only for introduction and information about the product, but not for influencing through advertisement to the consumer. So ultimately, the product availability, supply, price, quality will decide the future of the product, the market of the product, satisfaction of the consumer. Of course, this selling now, the globally online marketing has catch up and brand image is also improving. But when compared to the charges paid to the online marketing or brand image platforms, now it became costly. The manufacturers are preferring to go for old method of giving information, of publishing on a paper or personal emails about their products that will reach directly to the consumer. So that earlier pamphlet model will be issued by the manufacturer to the consumer directly, and he knows about the product and he can book the order and he can get the delivery. Now again, the old system of manufacturer reaching the consumer is emerging as a new opportunity because of possibility and facilities available to reach the consumer directly by the manufacturer. So ultimately, reaching the consumer is most important, and attracting the consumer is also important, and maintaining is more important. Maintaining the consumer depends upon his satisfaction about the product availability as stated earlier, and everything what his expectations. Generally, the consumer expects the low price, best quality, whereas the manufacturer tries to extract higher price for his product depending upon the marketing opportunities available to his product. And there is a clash between the two opposite direction expectations. Consumer expects the lower price of the product and manufacturer expects the higher price for their product. So the situation leads to demand and supply. High supply leads to low price and low supply leads to high price. Of course, it is not possible. The supply is in shortage, the consumer may shift to other alternative product. That possibility is also there. So there should be, the product should be available in the market, and the product should reach the consumer, and the product should satisfy the consumer, and it is better even if the price is higher than the alternative products. So now the people's purchasing capacity has increased. Many alternatives are available to the consumer, and maintaining the consumer is most difficult task for the marketing people. Because of this situation, the online marketing and brand image has emerged as an opportunity in the marketing sector. But because of high charges are not accessible, small people, grade manufacturers, these people, small grade manufacturers, trying to adopt traditional methods of reaching the consumer directly by forwarding the information about that product through emails or personal communication or any other way, reaching directly to the consumer to introduce our information, to forward information about the product. As stated, the both will not be under the situation of clash of interest. Neither the manufacturer nor the consumer will be happy totally. There has to be a compromise for the consumer as well as the manufacturer, consumer for satisfaction, manufacturer for price. So, or consumer for price, manufacturer for reaching the consumer satisfaction. This situation will emerging that the product can be introduced or forwarded information but cannot be influenced through advertisement and influence the consumer in the longer period unless the quality of the product and the price of the product, availability of the product is within the reaching of the consumer.